All right, what's happening, man? So today I want to talk about a fragrance that I've seen a lot of people talk bad about. It hasn't gotten the best reviews since it came out. I've seen a lot of trash talk in comment sections, so-so reviews on YouTube. It's Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy Le Parfum. Now, before we get started, well, for one, as always, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the bell. And also, I've got gum in my mouth. I don't feel like spitting out my gum. So before you complain in the comment section, if you don't like me chewing my gum, go eat a bag of zombie dicks and get lost because I'm not spitting the gum out. So, like I said, I never smelt this stuff. I wasn't that inclined because I didn't like the original Bad Boy. I saw some people review it on YouTube. It didn't get the best reviews. I saw a lot of people in comment sections bashing this stuff. The comment sections were nasty sometimes. But I have gotten messages from people probably 7-8 times in the last 6 months. And they bring up, hey, with the cold weather approaching, I want something warm and cozy. What do you think of this? What do you think of that? And this is one that has come up multiple times, but I keep telling everybody, unfortunately, I haven't got my nose on that one. I don't really have an opinion on that one. But like I said, I saw it at my Ross store yesterday. I said, I'm going to blind buy it. I paid 90 bucks. And I got to say, the people that have talked bad about it are telling the truth. It smells like shit. I don't like this stuff. I got ripped off. I'm frustrated that I spent $90 on this 5-pound paperweight or weapon, I guess it's good for, but I'm sure as hell not going to wear it. Now, I'm being a little bit harsh, of course, but I got to say, what bothers me the most is probably this goddamn cannabis note that's in here, because when I think of this fragrance and I think about what I would use it for, I think cooler weather, cold weather, something warm and cozy, sexy, alluring, date night, mysterious, something like that. This does have a nice, sexy, alluring, warm sweetness when you first spray it. The opening's not bad, but from out the gate, and even worse so as it dries down, the cannabis note, at least in my opinion, I think it's the cannabis note, rubs me the wrong way. The dry earthiness of it, the greenness of it, it really, how can I describe this? It splits the fragrance. It makes these notes collide and fight and battle for position. It doesn't work in unison. They don't smoothly roll together. Like I said, the cannabis note to me, I feel like it splits the fragrance and it makes the notes battle for position, and I just don't like it. It doesn't sit well on my skin. It bothers my nose, and I'm ranting because I'm pissed, like I said, and I spent $90. So to everybody that does have this question or is curious about this or has asked me, hey, with the cooler weather approaching, blah, 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 what I'm going to say is go out and get your nose on Paco Rabanne's Invictus Victory. Get your nose on Azzaro's Most Wanted. Those are both dark, sweet, warm, cozy, alluring, sexy fragrances that I would pick 100 times out of 100 over this. I'm not a fan of this stuff. I do think the hate is justified. Again, if you think I'm being harsh, comment down below. If you disagree, I promise I'll love you anyways. It's all right. But to me, not worth the money. I sure as hell shouldn't have spent 90 bucks on it. There's many other options that you can choose that'll do a much better job of what I would use this stuff for. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to rant because I'm frustrated. Not a fan of this stuff. That's it, and that's all. So hey, like the video if you like the video, and like it even if you don't like it. Like it because I wasted 90 bucks. That's at least worth a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't subscribed. I'm glad you're here, but you should subscribe. Until next time, guys, God bless. Be well. Stay away from this shit. I'm out.